Developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology, the SC5 is Karcher's most powerful home steam cleaner. Easy to set up, and with storage for all the accessories, you'll be ready to go in just a few minutes. Using nothing but tap water, the SC5 deep cleans all around your home, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Using the extension poles, specially designed Easy Fix floor tool and microfiber cloth ensures a deep clean on any type of hard flooring, including stone, laminate and vinyl. The floor tool can effortlessly slide into the carpet glider and be used to straighten, refresh and revitalize your carpets and rugs. A simple switch to the hand tool and you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub. From tiles, work surfaces, cooker hobs and doors, to glass and shower screens, the SC5 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush lets you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard-to-clean places where grime and limescale builds up. A simple turn of the dial and the added Vapo-Hydro function allows you to remove even the most stubborn dirt by including a blast of hot water. What's more, the SC5 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily top it up and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the microfiber cloths can be simply removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC5 can then be stored away with ease.
PowerFresh Steam Mop is packed with a variety of special features. First, it has a built-in Smart Set steam control, which gives you the option to choose among low, medium, or high steam. The Smart Set steam control indicator light will stop blinking when your PowerFresh Steam Mop is ready to use. Then you can press the steam level button to choose the level of steam you want. Second, your Steam Mop comes with a removable water tank. The water tank is located on top of the unit and can be refilled with water anytime during use. It is important to make sure you do not use chemicals in the water tank of your steam mop. The use of other solutions may cause breakdown of the gasket and/or other parts of the machine. Third, it comes with two different types of pads. The white microfiber pad is best for everyday use on delicate flooring like sealed hardwoods and laminate. The gray and white stripe pad can be used for scrubbing heavily soiled floors and cleaning tougher messes. The microfiber pads are also machine washable and safe for virtually all hard floor surfaces. Some units may come with fragrance discs that you can place in the mesh pocket in your mop pad. You can use the whole disc for a refreshing scent or cut in half for a lighter scent. And finally, the removable Easy Scrubber helps you quickly clean sticky messes by pressing your foot on the tool to lock it into position. It is also great for cleaning grout on tile.
Concentrated steam cleans your floors and helps take care of tough spots, dried up messes, and stuck-on stains. All without chemicals. That makes mopping easy, fast, and less of a chore. Say goodbye to long drying times. The Genius Mop Head's advanced maneuverability gives you incredible under and around furniture reach. And the Steam Blaster technology tackles stuck-on stains and messes with a simple flip of the mop head. Steam is the perfect way to clean your sealed hard floors. Changing the mop pad on the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop is easy. To attach a pad to the mop, spread the pad on the floor with the pocket side up. Center the Genius Mop Head above the pad. Then with a pinching motion, pinch the pad release button on the back of the Steam Mop body. Both sides of the Genius Mop Head will drop open. Slip the Genius Mop Head's 4 corner tabs into the pockets of the pad. Press one side of the Genius Mop Head to the floor until that side clicks into place. Then do the same on the other side. When you're ready to remove the pad, simply press the pad release button again, and the pad will drop off. It's that easy. No more bending or having to touch dirty mop pads.
Enjoy the power of an all-in-one vacuum and steam mop with your new Symphony Pet. This video will show you basic operation of your unit. Once your unit is assembled and your mop pad is attached, fill the water tank before using the unit. On the back of the unit, open the Easy Fill opening of the water tank and use the included water cup to fill the tank. Be sure not to overfill and use water that's at room temperature. The water tank holds 13 ounces and will last approximately 15 minutes depending on the amount of steam used during cleaning. Pull and twist the quick release cord wrap clockwise to unwrap the power cord completely. Plug into an outlet. Wait 30 seconds for the unit to heat up. Once ready, choose the level of your steam desired to clean your floors. Use high steam for durable floor or sticky messes. Use low steam for delicate floors or for everyday cleaning. Press the steam trigger on the underside of the handle to use the steam. Push down on the vac button to turn on the vacuum. The vacuum option can be used simultaneously with high steam function, low steam function, or separately as a stick vacuum only. Begin cleaning by slowly moving the unit over the floor surface while pressing the steam trigger on the underside of the handle. Moisture on the floor is normal when using in steam mode. When the hard floor cleaner stops emitting steam, turn the vacuum and steam off and unplug. Open the Easy Fill opening of the water tank and use the water cup to add more water to the tank. Once refilled, turn the unit back on and continue cleaning.